Hey everyone, I'm Josh.
And I'm Julie.
And this is our friend Chico. Say hi, Chico.
And today we're going to be making a pencil holder for back to school.
Let's get started.
We're going to start with a piece of paper. You can have any color that you want. Today I chose pink.
I chose yellow. What color do you got, Chico? Pink? You want pink?
Okay, you're going to fold your paper long ways, right through the middle.
Just like a hot dog. Hot dog like Chico, there you go.
Okay, once you folded your paper, you're going to cut it in half. Make sure you use safety procedures.
Think we're gonna have to help Chico out, huh? Yep. Let me cut mine, then I'll cut yours. Oh, and Julie's got yours.
I'll crumble. Okay guys, pick the side you think is best, and now we're gonna roll that side up. You're gonna have to use a cylinder to measure your paper. Bring it around. You can use a water bottle or anything that your paper would fit around. And then Josh, can you help me tape it up, please?
Of course. Chico, can you help too or no? You don't think so? There you go. Push it down, Chico.
Thank you, Chico.
One more. Push that one down.
And once we have your little sphere, let's get everybody else's sphere going. You're gonna crumble it, Chico. Okay, once you have your cylinder shape that you used your cylinder bottle with, you're gonna put it on the other piece of paper that we have and trace it out. Perfect, Chico.
Awesome.
Okay, so now with your scissors, you're gonna cut out the circle. It's okay if you cut a little bit over, but we don't want to cut under. Now with your circle, you're going to place 2 pieces of tape, just like this. One there, and another one right on the other side of it. Just like that. Now that you have your 2 pieces of tape, you're going to put it over and then tape it to the sides of your cylinder. So this is your basic pencil holder, but we're going to do a little bit more. So with a white piece of paper, you're going to fold over a little corner, about an inch. It could be more, it could be less, it doesn't matter too much. Oh. Chico went a little over.
Chico, that's a big fold.
Okay, now once your corner is folded over, you're gonna cut on the folded corner a little half circle. The half circle can be as big or as little as you want it. And then it's gonna make a full circle when you unfold it. Do you need help, Chico? Do you want a little circle or a big circle? A big circle? Okay, Chico. Your paper's a little crumbled again. Perfect. Okay, now with your half circle, you're going to make another one and try to make them as close to the same size as possible. Now, once you have your 2 white circles, you can keep these white or you can add color to them. I'm gonna keep them white. Chico, do you want to make the eyes red, green, or blue? No? Okay, now with your tape, you're gonna cut out a small piece. You can also do this with glue. You're gonna cut out a small piece and then fold it into a little taco or burrito. and you're going to place it in the back of your eye and then place it on your pencil holder. And you do that with both eyes.
What do you think, Chico? Is it starting to look like you? Yeah?
Yep.
Awesome.
Okay, now with your safety scraper you had earlier with the same color that you used for your pencil holder, you're going to cut out 2 triangles. These do have to be small. Now once you have your 2 triangles, you're going to cut a little slit down the middle of them. And then place them into your pencil holder. Look, now it has little ears, Chico. Now, you're gonna cut out half a circle but without a folded paper on the white paper to make a smile. And again, with your tape, you're gonna fold it again into a little burrito. Place it in the back of your smile. And then place it right underneath your eyes. This is supposed to be your little Chihuahua pencil holder. And if you want to make it look more like Chico, Chico has a scar on his right eye. So we can add a little scar on his right eye. Do you want to add a scar on yours, Chico? I got you, Chico. It's okay.
Think your ear fell off.
Do you want to add Chico's scar?
Yeah, I want to add a Chico square. Let me see you, Chico. Nice.
It's on his left, our right. And there you go. You have your Chico pencil holder for the upcoming school year.